Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. 10th of January is Vaikunta Ekadashi, where many of us observe a fast. So that on 11th, which is Dwadashi, we break the fast and we have a simple meal quite early because you have been fasting the previous day and you need something light and yet nutritious and filling too. So we make a typical Dwadashi Kanji. In Tamil Nadu, they make agati kire curry and nelli mulli pachadi, usually for Dwadasi, and maybe a Dwadashi rasam. In the Kannada Brahmin style, we make this Dwadashi Kanji. Many of my recipes I have learnt a lot during my stay in Bangalore also. So today I will show you that style of Dwadashi Kanji. Here I have taken 3/4 cup of regular Sona Masuri raw rice. Here I am adding about 5 cups of water just for 3/4 cups of rice, and we will bring it to a boil. When the water starts boiling, add the rice to it. When it starts boiling again, just cover it, reduce the flame and cook it for 1 whistle and switch it off. Meanwhile, we will make some coconut milk to be added to this ganji. So here I have got about 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. Add some water, warm water to it and grind it well and extract the juice. Filter it out, extract the milk, coconut milk. After extracting the milk, I have just taken the residue back, added more hot water and again extract more milk out of it. Now let's open our cooker and see. See, the rice is well cooked and you have a perfect ganji or a porridge. Just mash it a little bit like this. Next, add in a little bit of salt for taste and then this coconut milk extract and again mix it very well. Now for a simple tempering, heat a spoon of ghee, add some mustard seeds, a little bit of cumin seeds or jeera, some hing, switch it off, add some fresh curry and now pour this tempering on top of the kanji. So, a very simple, cooling, satisfying, nutritious kanji. You can just serve it with any pickle. Today I have this Amla pickle with me. I will give you this recipe link. I had posted it a couple of years ago. I will give you the link in the description box. Now we can serve out this kanji. So our simple, comforting Dwadashi Kanji is ready along with some simple homemade Amla pickle. As I always say, most of our recipes have been planned so meticulously. See now Ekadashi fast, so Dwadashi you need something light, soothing, comforting, nourishing, which can be prepared quickly too. So you can have it in the morning itself. Some of you might think, after all, what is this? Only a kanji. Does Geeta need to show us how to make this? Well, there are some youngsters today who don't know or who are not aware of this. So to benefit them specially, I have made this kanji. You can adjust the consistency. You can make it a little more dilute, adding more water. But if you add water later on, add only hot water. Or add water in the beginning itself while cooking the rice. That is also okay. Now it is winter time, so we like to have it a little bit warm and with a little pickle at the side. Similarly, let's say you're having a cold, cough, fever, this will really be very appetizing and welcome for you too. Again, in summers, you can make this, but at that time, cool it down very well and have it as a cool kanji, which will be cooling for the body too. Let me assure you, the taste is so delicious, simply divine, that you won't need to wait for a Dwadashi. You can have it any day for breakfast and you will really be hooked on to this. So, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.